Welcome to our English class. This is your English teacher Rajni, DAV Public School, Dr. NTTPS, Ibrahimpatnam. In the last video, you understood lesson 4 vocabulary and 3-4 paras of our lesson. And you learned it is a story about a young girl in China who brought a great change in the lives of women living there. The main character of the story is Mulan. Mulan wants to ride a horse, so her father appreciated that she was brave and he was very proud that he had a brave daughter. But her mother was worried that the girl should not be taught to ride a horse because she was worried about the villagers will think about what they will think about. And now this is a story happened in China hundreds of years ago. In those days, people traveled on foot or in carriages or on horseback, but girls were not allowed to ride on horseback. And this is a story about Mulan. Mulan's father, once upon a time, Mulan's father was a soldier and fought in many wars. But once in such war, he was wounded badly. So he returned home to take care of his family. But he was very proud to see his daughter grew up strong and fearless. As he was wounded very badly, now he was taking rest in the home. And he was taking care of his family, and he was very proud that he had a brave and strong daughter, Mulan. One day, drums were heard in the village. It was an announcement from the king, and the messenger said that a male member from each family must go to the headquarters immediately. If they win the war, the family will be rewarded. But Mulan was very worried because her father was wounded very badly and he cannot go to the war, and his brother, he was a very small baby and he cannot join in the war. So he was worried that nobody in her family couldn't go to the war. Next morning, Mulan was not there in the house. So father was worried that he was not there in the horse, and he thought that he was riding the horse. Anyhow, Mulan was not there in the house the next day. What happened we will see in today's part. See, if you have English textbook, open page number 32 and see the third paragraph, or else see our video. At the army headquarters, he was told that his family had sent a member. Mulan's father returned home feeling puzzled. When night fell and Mulan still didn't appear, the mystery was solved. Mulan had secretly gone and joined the army. What is the meaning for that? At the headquarters, already you learned the meanings. Headquarters means nothing but main office. At the army main office, they told that his family had already sent a member. That means a male member from his family had joined in the war. Mulan's father, after returning home, he was confused who went from his family. He didn't know Mulan had joined in the army. When night fell and Mulan still Mulan didn't come when it is night. So he thought now the mystery was solved. That means Mulan only had joined the war. Now he came to know that Mulan had joined the war. Mystery means nothing but secret. Now the secret was revealed. Mulan had secretly gone and joined the army. That's the secret. He went to the army and joined secretly without taking the permission of the parents. But here father was worried where Mulan had gone. Now the secret was revealed that he had gone secretly and joined the army. Mulan kept her identity. Now see the next para. Mulan had kept her identity well hidden. She trained as hard as the other soldiers and was better than most of them. The war took place and Mulan fought bravely. Her efforts helped the army to win the war. The king was very happy and rewarded her with a beautiful horse and a bag full of money. Okay, now see, Mulan did not reveal her identity. What is the identity? She is a girl, but she went to the army like a boy. She did not revealed her identity. She trained as hard as the other soldiers. That means like a male member. She trained as hard as the other soldiers. The war took place and Mulan also fought very bravely, and because of her efforts, the army won the war. And the king was also very happy and rewarded her with a beautiful horse and a bag full of money. The king also didn't know that she was a boy. That's why I told that she didn't reveal her identity. The king also very happy because their kingdom won the war. So she was given a beautiful horse and a bag full of money. Now see the next para. When Mulan reached home, her parents hugged and kissed her. Her brother had grown up to be a fine young man. Mulan gave him the horse and her military clothes. He was delighted. Okay, now she had taken the reward from the king. Now Mulan reached home. As soon as Mulan reached home, parents hugged and kissed her. Her brother also had grown up to be a fine young man. So Mulan gave him the horse which was given by the king and her military clothes. He was very delighted. What's the meaning of delighted? Very happy. The Mulan's brother felt very happy because she had given the horse and also the military clothes. Now see the next para. A week later, there was a knock at the door. Mulan's mother opened the door to see two big strong men. Okay, what's happened there? A week later. That means after the war, 7 days after. Later means after. 7 days after, there was a knock at the door. Someone had knocked Mulan's door, Mulan's house door. Mulan's mother opened and saw two big strong men. That means two strong men came to their house and knocked for Mulan. Then Mulan's mother opened. Okay, now see the next. Is this Mulan's house? One of them asked. We have come to meet him. Okay, Mulan's mother opened the door. No, then she found two strong men. Then they asked, is this Mulan's house? One of them asked. I told no, two strong men came to their house. One of the men asked whether that was Mulan's house because they came to meet Mulan. They told also they came to meet Mulan. Now see, he was a great friend of ours in the army, said the other. One man said that they came for Mulan and the other said that he was a great friend of ours in the army. That means Mulan was a great friend of them in the army. When Mulan came out to meet her friends, they couldn't believe that their friend was actually a girl. Okay, now Mulan only came out to meet her friends. They couldn't believe. That means they couldn't believe their eyes. That means they thought their friend was a boy, but they saw Mulan was a girl. Actually, their friend was actually a girl. So they couldn't believe their eyes. Okay, children, understood now? Mulan came out to meet her friends. Already I told you, two strong men came to the house. They were nothing but Mulan's friends. So Mulan came out to meet the friends. They couldn't believe their eyes because Mulan was actually a girl. Now see the last para. They told everyone they knew the story of Mulan. They told everyone they knew the story of Mulan. Soon, people across China knew her story. Many young men were inspired by Mulan. They demanded to learn how to ride a horse, use a sword, and do all the things that men did. After all, men and women are equal, aren't they? Yeah, is it? Now, that's two strong men told everyone the story of Mulan. Soon, people across China knew her story. That means such a brave girl she is. Fought in the army and won the war. That was the story known by everyone in the village. And many young women in that village were inspired by Mulan. That means all the female members were inspired by Mulan and they demanded to learn how to ride a horse. All the women in that village demanded how to ride a horse, use a sword. Sword means weapon which was used in a war. They asked, all the women in that village asked how to ride a horse and how to use a sword and do all the things that men did. After all, men and women are equal. That means women also learn how to ride a horse and how to use the weapons. Everything they learned, and now women also became powerful in that village. From then onwards, all men and women are equal, aren't they? That means women can do anything. In olden days, they were only stick to the houses, but now they also learn everything and they are joining in the war and they are doing jobs and everything they can do. So men and women are equal, aren't they, children? Yeah, is it? Now, see the moral. What do you understand, moral? What do you understand from this lesson, children? See the moral. Girls and boys can do the same things equally well. Is it or not? Girls and boys can do the same things equally well. We are seeing nowadays everybody is equal. Girls can do the same thing, boys also can do that. Is it? So, the moral of the story is nobody is great, nobody is lesser. Everybody is equal. That means girls and boys can do the same things equally well. That's all. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.